demonstration, right? We're gonna make pasta Alfredo sauce. It's a milk-based sauce, right? So the learning objectives today are to recall how to bring milk to a boiling temperature. And today we're going to be making a bechamel sauce, which is a mother sauce in French cooking. It's a very basic flavored sauce, but the texture is very specific. It's thick, creamy, very smooth, velvety smooth. And we can incorporate lots of different flavors into this later on. Okay? So today, for the pasta Alfredo, the recipe ingredients are as follows. We need a half a pound. We need the camera on. Sorry about that. We need a half a pound of pasta, dried pasta, plus the water for cooking it. We're also going to need 1 quart of milk, a 1/4 cup of butter, along with a 1/4 cup of butter, we're going to need a 1/4 cup of flour. Which will be a tablespoon of chopped garlic, about 3 1/2, 4 cloves of garlic, a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, hold on a second, I can't hear. Flour and butter were both a 1/4 cup. We're going to add a couple other items in there which you can add in your recipe, but this is the base recipe, okay? It's the base recipe. Lastly, we're going to need salt and pepper to taste. Salt and pepper to taste. Okay, let's